me moments or self-care or a daily ritual as a chore, as
Yes.
a like, I've got to just check it off the list
Mhm.
versus a tool, a resource, something that will help every part of your day and maybe the next day and on and on. So
That there is a need for more kind of fostering in my own life was the energy clearing.
mm,
All the different roles that I play in life, a lot of them are roles where I'm like holding emotional space for other people. And that really starts to take a toll. I've come a really far way in like finding ways of kind of like mitigating that or resetting myself. But I think I had shared with you like 4 or 5 months ago, I started this morning, like more structured morning routine where I like get up and mix my like morning supplements and then kind of like clean the kitchen so that I get this like sense of orderliness in my space. And then I like move into doing yoga and meditation. And I've been consistent with that every morning for like 4 or 5 months now. And I can really feel a difference
mm,
just in how I feel moving through my day. But the me moment about like energy clearing like really shed light on I don't really have anything on the back end of the day.
mm.
And so I think that's an area where I want to try to find what works for me in terms of kind of like clearing or letting go or just like resetting.
Yeah, for sure. That's awesome. Yeah, I think I love the way you said that too, because it sounds like it's moved from like a to do to being integrated in your life, which I think a lot of people kind of see me moments or self-care or a daily ritual as a chore, as
Yes.
a like, I've got to just check it off the list
Mhm.
versus a tool, a resource, something that will help every part of your day and maybe the next day and on and on. So that's super exciting. I'm excited for you to find something that works for you.
Yeah, me too. That's sort
Yeah.
of the next thing to explore. It's like what that is. I'm
Yeah.
certainly going to try the me moment that you talk about in here. And then
I have more to share with you too. I'll share with you. I have like a bigger list of clearing practices.
see